sure. I'm going to do my little grounding thing that you taught me. You want to explain that while I do it?
Yeah. So hand mudras are super powerful, especially for balancing the chakras. This is the hands you're gonna hold, and then you're gonna put it around your waist. Linda's holding it around her waist right now. Super powerful grounding mudra to help bring her energy field into the ground and not take her off into la la land, to keep her ground. And I use this every morning myself because I haven't been grounded for most of my life. And now I do it in bed because it's an easy mudra to hold while you're lying in bed. So that's how I start my day. I'm like, there's a lot of people that have probably most of the world has grounding issues. They don't know it because they're all spinning around in the head in these lower attractor fields. This has been a huge solution for me, and I recommend it to many people. Lie in bed, put it around your waist because you're lying on your back. You just do it. And then I say to myself, I choose to be firmly rooted to the center of the earth. I choose to be grounded in the present moment of every day. And I choose to be fully embodied by the higher aspects of myself. Those are been very effective for me. So just would recommend that. It's highly likely high vibe. Holding the mudra in itself is high vibe. So
I'll
quickie
just say
right there.
It's like a lifesaver for me because Liz pointed that out. Because I'll get so expanded into the energy that when you're too much out there, your focus isn't directly on what you're doing because you're kind of a little bit all over there. So I just was saying how I was thinking one thing and saying a different thing. So that to me, that's an indicator like, okay, hold on, I got to pull myself back in. So when I find my test goes a little weird, I'm like, okay, hold on, I have to ground, and I'll go back. Sometimes it goes back to the same weird testing, but for me, I'm like, you know what? Let me just make sure I'm grounded. Okay.
And it's a quick fix. So
quick fix. So I'm grounded. So let's continue.